Welcome to Back4App Containers, the series that you show how to create the Docker files to run your specific application in Back4App Containers. So, today we'll be running a website, just the HTML and all the static files in Back4App Containers, and we'll be using the Ubuntu distribution of Linux to do that, along with the Nginx web server. So here I have my GitHub, and as you can see I have a index.html file that I created, which is very simple. It just has a hello world text, but it could be anything. You could add some JavaScript files, perhaps some CSS files as well, and all you have to do is to install the Docker container with the Nginx web server, and we'll be moving all these files to the correct location inside that container, and it will run it automatically for us. So in order to do that, here on the first container, which is my project in GitHub, I'm going to add a new file, create new file, and call it Dockerfile with a capital D, which is a mandatory in order for the application to work. And in here, I'm going to write my Docker file starting with the distribution I want. So from Ubuntu, and I want the latest version, so semicolon and latest. We're going to run a few commands in here. The first one will update the packages in this new machine. So we're going to run apt get update. And after that, we're going to install Nginx. We do that by typing run apt get -y, so it doesn't prompt us for confirmation, install Nginx. After that, I have to copy my index.html file to the correct folder, and in the Ubuntu distribution, it will be this folder that I'll be typing in here. So copy index.html to /var/www/html/index.html. Now I have to expose the port, and by default Nginx will run in port 80, so expose 80. And last but not least, I have to start Nginx. We'll do that by running a command, so cmd, and in here we'll pass on the command, so Nginx. Then we're going to pass the key -g, and then daemon off. This will be enough to start our Nginx server. So all I have to do now is scroll down and click Commit New File. And if I come here in Back4App Containers, and remember, this is still in beta, so if you don't see this screen right here, you have to enroll as a new beta user. So all you have to do is go to Dashboard, and in here you have the Containers part. Oops. All you have to click is to click this button here. Once again, if you don't see this button, you have to enroll as a beta user, so we can just call our support team in order to enroll. And in here, I'm going to click Create New App. It will list all my GitHub repos. I'm going to select this one here, which is the one that I just edited. I'm going to call this Nginx. I'll leave the branch as the main and the root directory as /. So I won't be using any other variables, and I'll keep auto deploy on, so at every change in this repo, a new distribution will start automatically in Back4App Containers. Once I click Create App, this will bring me to this new application, and it will start to reflect the real-time logging of my container being created. So as you can see, it's starting right now by downloading the Ubuntu latest version and installing, running apt get update right now. At the end of every step in the container building phase, it will take a snapshot of the system. So as you can see, it's taking a snapshot right now and installing Nginx. This takes a little while. Setting everything up. Now it runs successfully, so it's taking another snapshot of the file system. It will now copy my index file right here and start pushing the image to the Back4App servers. It will now launch the container and check for its health. Once it's healthy, it will get a green arrow here. And if you want to check your new container, all you have to do is click this green link here. And as you can see, hello world, which is my very simple website. But once again, you can have JavaScript file, image files, and CSS files as well. As long as you have any static content, it will be delivered just the same. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.